At the Catalan Competition Authority, we strive to encourage competition within the marketplace. Competition can only exist if access to the marketplace is guaranteed. A new European law has been approved with regard to the scope of payment services. It grants non-bank operators the opportunity to offer these same services, so it will make it possible an increase of the level of competition within the market of financial services since. In Spain, in order to offer these kind of services, you must be given access to online communication networks, the private clearinghouses, where only the traditional bank organisations currently have access to. In light of this limitation, the ACCO suggests a law amendment so that other payment systems organisations are also granted with access and guarantee principles of equality and non-discrimination towards other operators that are within this marketplace. Should granting access to these organisations be considered unsafe for the financial system, inasmuch as these organisations hold less guarantees than the banks, the ACCO then considers that this circumstance does not justify holding them back from operating within the marketplace. Many financial operations are carried out immediately, so there is no settlement risk involved. Therefore, the ACCO suggests making their access into the marketplace happen by means of the following: setting up an alternative wholesale service of access to the clearinghouses, or enable payment system organisations the opening of a cash account at the National Spanish Bank so that they can operate, reducing their dependency on the traditional credit institutions, and allow them to be provided with immediate and full access to the whole national Spanish retail payment system. The entry into force of the PSD2 regulation has led to other payment systems for non-banking organisations and account aggregators, which should be provided with access to customers' account balances with their previous consent, so they can start making payments under their own name or provide them with account information services. We are now facing a new financial ecosystem in which new operators emerge. The ACCO regards as positive the creation of a sandbox where disruptive business models can develop. New companies can try out innovative products, services, or new business models without having to comply with such strict regulation ruling within this field. Help us defend competition to ensure more and better public services. You can visit the ACCO in person, or you can call on 0034 93552 8160. If you prefer, you can also do so online on our website. Independence, innovation, and rigorousness towards competition is in everyone's best interest.